Okay, tip number 2. This is one of my biggest pet peeves on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is not Facebook. It is not Instagram, and it is not Twitter. Those are all very different social media platforms. In other words, you should not be using LinkedIn to post about how you're feeling, venting about what an awful day you had, posting anything negative, anything around politics. In other words, if you would not want your boss or coworkers to see it, then do not post it on LinkedIn. Now, this doesn't just mean things that you actually post to your page. Keep in mind that on LinkedIn with the newsfeed feature, if you're commenting or replying to a post that's already out there, that automatically is going to show up on your newsfeed. Keep in mind that LinkedIn is a professional network. So you should only be posting things on LinkedIn that are related directly to your company, your career, anything in your professional brand. Just be very cautious here because once things are out there on the internet, it's not very easy for them to go away.